So if you're dating a younger guy, there are actually specific advantages that you have being an older woman, that knowing these advantages can help build the relationship. Someone emailed me recently and asked this particular question, and she asked it this way. She said, "My relationship is very new, yet being coworkers, we've known each other for a year. I have a plea though. The underlying topic I want to know about is the Yoko topic, a younger man dating a more mature woman. Is there anything in particular I need to take into consideration other than everything that comes with the package anyway? I'd be glad to get the odd hint here." Now, in full disclosure, I actually had to research what Yoko topic meant and came up with, oh yes, Yoko Ono is 7 years older than John Lennon. So there you go, the Yoko topic. Now, yes, there are some specific things that you can take into consideration that can help bolster the relationship. And it's specifically playing to your advantage. There are certain advantages that you have that when you know what they are and you can play to those, it can help the overall relationship. So today I'm going to share with you 5 advantages that older women have when dating younger guys. Number 1 is confidence. As an older woman, you know who you are. You know what you want in life, and you're willing to ask for it. You're willing to be direct. It's very, very powerful. Nothing is worse than a woman with no opinion, a woman who doesn't know what she wants to do. Hey, babe, what do you want to do? I don't know. Whatever you want to do is okay with me. Yeah, that might be nice for like a night, but it will drive you nuts over a lifetime. Men want a woman who knows what she wants, a woman who knows who she is, and a woman who's willing to ask for what she wants, because when she does, it gives him a mission for how to serve her and please her. The second advantage is emotional maturity. You don't get rattled by the little things, and so therefore there's less drama in the relationship. You don't get unnecessarily jealous because you are stalking your guys' social media accounts and creating unnecessary fights because of what might be posted on that social media account. You're more mature in how you communicate. You know how to tackle challenges and difficulties and problems. You know how to navigate those, and you're more adept at doing that. The whole thing creates an environment that's less drama, more smooth, and a whole lot more fun to be around. The third advantage is independence. As an older woman, you've got your life. You've got your activities. You know what you want to do. You've got your freedom. And there's nothing better for a man than a woman who's got her own activities, knows what she's doing, and can fill her own cup. Doesn't put the pressure on him to make her life great because her life is already great. She's filling her own cup. And when a woman says to a guy, hey, I want you to go have a guy's weekend this weekend because I'm going with my girlfriends and we're going to go to Vegas, he appreciates that much needed dopamine time, and a couple of things happen. Not only does he get that dopamine experience with his guy friends, but his desire for you increases during the time apart. Number 4, let's call it sexual gusto. Older women are more experienced in general and often open to more things. And most importantly, as an older, more mature woman, you're willing to communicate exactly what you want, what you don't want, and to guide him to being the best sexual partner possible. And that kind of open, mature communication creates better sexual experiences. And sex for men is, how we'll say, important. Number 5 is adventure. As an older woman, you're in a different place in your career. You have more options, more choice, more funds, which lends itself to having more adventures, right? Those bucket list items, you're starting to cross those bucket list items off, which creates an experience where you're creating these amazing lifelong memories that bonds the two of you together in ways that just staying home and watching Netflix doesn't. Now, there's one big drawback that can sabotage all the advantages that you have if you let it get to you. And that drawback is insecurity. If you let that little limiting belief voice that tries to sabotage you, convince you that you're not enough for whatever reason, that your body's not enough, that your skin isn't enough, that your breasts aren't firm enough, whatever it is, if you let that voice sabotage you with insecurity, that feeling of insecurity is going to be contagious, and he's going to start to see you as less than because that's the vibe that you're in. So kick that voice to the curb and know that you're right where you should be. Enjoy this amazing relationship with him. Surrender to this experience. Soak it up because you deserve it. And you deserve this amazing relationship that you've attracted. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.